Dear student, in previous class, we had completed separation of substances. Now, today class, I am going to start a new lesson, that is the body movements. Topic to be covered: introduction, human body movements, joints, ball and socket joints, hinge joint, pivotal joints, fixed joints, skeletal system, bones, cartilages, and muscles. Movements in other animals: earthworm, snail, cockroach, fish, birds. I have seen so many movements around you, but we are talking about body movements in this lesson. Dear student, observe the movements taking place in your body. For example, when we blinking our eyes times to time, this is one of the movement. Okay, next second example. Next, when we breathing, you observe your body that is also showing movement. Yes, right. We have so many movements that happens in our body. Dear friend, example, when you are writing any notes, any homework, see your fingers also showing movement. See, when we writing any homework, any notes, your fingers also showing movement. This is also one of the example of movement. And next example, when you moving left and right side, your neck also moving left and right side. This is also one of the example for body movement. Different parts of our body showing movement, but you are remains same place. Next, see, in some places, when we showing the movements, we are moving from one place to another place. For example, you also moving from one place to another place when you going to show the notes to your teacher. You also moving from one place to another place. For example, when you running, when you walking, when you jumping, when you skipping, okay, when you running, okay, these all places. And when you going to show notes to your class teacher, and when you going to talk with your friends, and when you going to talk with your parent, in that moment your body also moving from one place to another place. Okay. These are the examples for movements. Let us see how animals moving from one place to another place. Dear friend, you observe this table. Okay, dear friend, you discuss your friend and you complete this table. You complete how animals move from one place to another place and which part of the body used to move from one place to another place. Okay, you discuss with your friends and you complete this table. Okay, in first column we have some animals, and in second column we have some body parts, and third column we have how does the animals move. Dear friend, we know a few ways of movement in which animals moving from one place to another place. Okay, by walking, animals moving from one place to another place. By running, animals moving from one place to another place. And by flying, birds also moving from one place to another place. And by jumping, okay, by jumping, animals also moving from one place to another place. And by slithering, also animals moving from one place to another place. Dear friend, we have to know here why we have different ways to move from one place to another place. Why animals have different ways to move from one place to another place. Why do fishes swimming? Why do birds are flying? Let us discuss one by one in this chapter. First point I am taking here. See, human body and its movement. Human body and its movement. First point I am taking here. Dear friend, let us start some of our own movement before discuss other animals' movement. Dear friend, do you enjoy when you doing the physical exercises? How do you move your hands? How do you move your fingers? How do you move your legs when you doing different types of physical exercises? You will rotating your hand and you will move all parts of your body. You will moving neck also, you will moving elbow also, you will moving arm also, you will moving shoulder also, you will moving legs, you will moving hands, you will moving fingers, you will moving wrist, you will moving hips, you will moving knee, you will moving shoulder. Do you know which part of our body able to bend? Do you know which part of our body able to rotate? And do you know which part of our body able to bend downward side? Okay, yes, these all points we are discussing one by one in this lesson. Dear friend, let us see this table 8.2. Movements in our body. In one column we have body parts, neck, wrist, finger, knee, ankle, toes, back, elbow, head and arm. Okay, yes right. In this second column we have some movements which are the completely rotating, which are off rotating and which are able to bend and which parts of body not moving. Okay, dear friend, we have this table. You discuss with your friend and you complete this table. Okay. Next, dear friend, do you know we are able to rotate, we are able to bend in that places only where we have joints. Okay, where we have joints, in that places only we able to rotate, we able to bend. This part we will call joints. Example, see here shoulder. Okay, this is one of the joint, and here also elbow. This is one of the joint. Here fingers we have so many joints, so we able to move these fingers. Okay, in here also we have one joint. In which part we have joints, in that places only we have to able to rotate, we have to able to showing the movements. These places we will call joints. Dear friend, if our body has not joints, do you think we able to move one place to another place? Do you think we able to rotate our body? This is not possible to rotate our body. This is not possible to move one place to another place if we has no joints. This is not possible to move one place to another place. These joints are very important to rotate, to bend in our body. Next, dear friend, you press on your hand. Okay, dear friend, next you press on your fingers and you press on your hand. Dear friend, next you press on your face and you press on your nose, on your ears. Okay, you press and on your head you press here. Dear friend, we are feeling here some hard structure. We are feeling here some hard structure. This hard structure we will call bones. Dear friend, let us see some important points about bone here.
Some important points related to bones. First one, a baby's body has about 300 bones at birth. These are fusing together. Second one, the adult human body has 206 of them. Third one, point here, there are 26 bones in the human foot. Fourth one, the human and including the wrist contains 54 bones. Fifth one, the femur of thigh bones is the longest and strongest bones of the human skeleton. The stapes in the middle ear is the smallest and the lightest bone of the human skeleton. Seventh one, bones are made up of calcium, phosphorus, sodium and other minerals. Eighth one, bones function as the skeleton of the human body, allow body parts to move and protect organs from impact damage. They also produce red and white blood cells.
Dear student, these are important points about bone. Okay, dear student, in this class I discussed here some important points about body movements and some important points about bone. Okay, in tomorrow class I will start new point, that is the joint. Thank you.